A good day, Madam and Sir. My name Priscilla Arhamot. I'm single mother. I'm 39 years old. And 2 daughters and 1 son, aged 13 years old and 6 years old and 5 years old boy. I live in Barangay Malnoy, Dumaro, Capiz. I know how to take care of babies and elders and know to do household chores, cleaning, cooking, washing clothes, gardening. I want to know to go to Hong Kong. I need money to support my family. Their needs, and I promise to work hard to serve you, my employer, honestly. Thank you.